What's up guys, welcome back to my channel if you're part of my 39 subscribers. If you're not, my name is Steve Daniel and I help content creators make money. In today's video, I want to talk about how to make recap videos. Let's be honest, if you're a videographer, making recap videos is actually a really good way to make money. Recap videos are usually made when you're attending an event, a festival, a party. At the end of the day, a recap video is actually you making a recap of what just happened, right? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you 5 tips and tricks to make better recap video. So let's get to it. First thing first, it's all about the storyline of your video, right? Usually when I make my recap video, I want to be sure that people understand the whole story of that video. The beginning of the video usually starts with what people see when they first walk in, right? Where's the event taking place? What is the event about, right? And then from there, we try to build the story of the video, such as the elements. Is it the DJ, the main person, what was happening? And then you go from there, basically just like a story, right? You walk in, you want people to understand that they get into the event, what's happening at the event, and at the end you want to show a bit more about what was the event about. The second thing is actually the music, guys. The music is so important when you make your video. No, this is not an ad for any music services because I have no partnership with that, but there's a lot of good websites with good music. I personally use YouTube to find my copyright free music, but you can also use Epidemic Sound, and there's other websites as well. But be sure that you take the right music for the videos. You can chop your video with the music as well, because the music actually makes the whole difference when you watch a video. I mean, let's take a look at this example, right? So we look at this video, it looks pretty cool. There's no music that much. But then when you put the music, that's when you see this makes more sense. This is pretty dope. By the way, shout out to my boy Nkosi for making this video from this weekend's brunch that I was hosting. The third element is very important and is for you to use a variety of shots. So I'm talking wide and close up. I remember when I was doing my first videos for brands, for recap, I will always make the same type of shots. Always wide or a bit far. I use the lens, but I realized that it doesn't help to create a good story. So that's why I always bring 2 lenses for whatever shoot I do now, because I need some wide shots and I need some close-up shots. At the end of the day, people, what they want to see, they want to see a nice texture. They want to see some quality images. So that's why if it is a busy event, I would recommend for you to go with a friend, right? One of you take care of the wide shots and the other one take care of the close-up shots, and then together at the end you work together around it. The fourth thing is actually the emotions. You want to show emotions in your video, guys. I don't even know how I can explain that better than just show people's emotion. Show them smile, show them laugh, show them having a good time. If it's a sad event, show them being sad at the end of the day. Guys, be sure to show the emotions in your video. And my last thing is actually make it short, guys. At the end of the day, social media, people have a short attention span, right? So be sure that your video is short, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute max, right? Be sure that your video is straight to the point, short, the storyline is respected, they understand everything, it looks nice, and it just is. From the get-go, you want to be sure that the video is dope, it show what you have to show, and that's it, bro. That being said, thank you for watching this video. Like I said, 5 tips and tricks to make a better recap video. Storyline is important, use good music, guys. Difference of shots, wide, close up, show the emotions, and make sure this is short. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you. Actually, I was supposed to make another video for Friday, which I'm gonna make, but in my last video I said I was about to make a video about my first month on YouTube, and I didn't this weekend. Oh man, I got lazy, so that's why I'm actually recording it and I'm gonna post that tomorrow. So this week you actually have 3 videos of me, and my next video is pretty much like an update for me to understand what's happening, what's going on, but it is also for you to understand a bit more what it is to be a new YouTuber at the end of the day. So thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for another video. That being said, have a great day. I'm out.